Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Angade, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Naukar Binary East. Our today's topic is comprehension. In it, Arunima Sinha, a biography of Arunima Sinha. We will discuss in this chapter. Course outcomes. Summarize the comprehension passage. Writing skill. Answer the given question on specified passage. Number 2. Formulate the sentence using the given new words. Number 3. Use correct syntax and construct the meaningful sentences or the given situation. Answer the question on given unseen passage. Speaking skills. Pronounce the word correctly in a given passage. Next, give oral instruction with correct pronunciation and intonation for given situation. Last, answer the question orally on given unseen passage with correct pronunciation. These are the learning outcomes student will achieve after completion of the topic. So, students, this is the story of or biography of Arunima Sinha. In our last video, we already discussed about Arunima Sinha, how her self-confidence or self-motivation. Okay. In such a critical condition, Arunima climbed Mount Everest as well as many mountainous or small kinds of mountain and achieve the success in her life. Here are some questions and answers on this topic. So, and we also see how the successful story of Arunima Sinha. Name the academy started for Arunima Sinha. State its motto. Arunima Sinha started Shahid Chandrasekhar Azad Viklang Khel Academy or Freedom Fighter Chandrasekhar Azad Sport Academy for Disabled Children. Motto of its institute is to provide very best support or sport facility to handicapped children, especially the poor one. Name the award owned by Arunima Sinha. Arunima Sinha won the award, the Padma Shri Award in 2015, the fourth highest civilization award in India, and also won many more awards on her name. But it is one of the best award owned by Arunima Sinha. Next, discuss Arunima Sinha is two to three sentences. Arunima Sinha is the first Indian amputee to climb Mount Everest. Among women amputee, she is the second one to climb Mount Everest. In 2015, she was awarded Padma Shri Award, the fourth highest award in India also. Next, express your view or ideas on positive thinking. Positive thinking is a life and breath of all success. Thinking positively generates positive and creative force both mentally and physically. In some accident, Arunima lost her legs. She became physically handicapped, but only the thing which handicapped him to climb the mountain is her strong positive thinking. Though she was handicapped, but her strong belief to climb Mount Everest make her success due to her positive thinking. She lost her leg in April 2014, April 2011 and reached the summit of 21st May 2013. She climbed mountains in dramatically short time. She is all only due to positive thinking. If according to this, if you have thinking positively, so nothing is impossible to you in this world. Your positive steps make or your positive thinking motivating you to doing any kinds of task, though there is no difficult problem or difficulties or problem comes in your life, though it is tedious, though it is a hazard, though it is a hard, difficult, but it is not impossible. It is your positive thinking make it is possible. Express your ideas on reaction to criticism. Every walk of life we may criticized by the people around us. We will be opted by them unnecessarily, thinking of our expectation of being helped by them. Sometimes their criticism may or may not be useful or one development, so we should take it positively. The great Indian cricketer Sachin Tendulkar was criticized many a time by the people, but neither spoke anything nor criticized them in return. He was just making greater records. He never hang around criticism. That is why he is a greater He is a great cricketer and known as a god of cricketer. In our life, if we are criticized by our people, remember Jim Rohn line, what do you think about me is none of my business. Name the peak or mountain climbed by Arunima Sinha. Arunima Sinha climbed the peak follows. Mount Everest is Asia, May 2013. Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa, 2000 May 14. Mount Elbrus in Europe, July 2014. Mount Kosciuszko in Australia, April 2015. Mount Aconcagua in South Africa, December 2015. Mount Cartez in 2000, July 16. These are the peak or mountain climbed by Mount Arunima Sinha. Describe the preparation of Arunima Sinha for mountain or Mount Everest expedition. After meeting Bachendri Pal, Arunima didn't go home. She directly went to join the Nawar Nehru Institute of Mountaineer for training. After completing the basic course, she has undergone rigorous training for 18 months to prepare herself for the big day. She climbed various small peaks, climbed Iceland peak, and prepared herself before conquer to the Mount Everest. Tata Steel Adventure Foundation offered her scholarship to meet all her financial requirements so that she can fully focus on her mountaineering or mountain as a mountaineer task. Describe the accident of Arunima Sinha. Arunima was a sport enthusiast from her childhood. A national level volleyball player, she had a great passion for sport, but the fate had other plans. One night on 11th April 2011, while the way from Delhi to Lucknow from Padmavati Express, the train, she was attacked by the group of local robbers. They tried to snatch her gold chain. She tried to resist them, but being a lonely girl, she could not resist them longer, and eventually she overpowered by them. No, she was overpowered by them. They threw her out of running train. Other side the train coming on the parallel track run over her leg. By the time she reached the hospital, the doctors were left with no option but to amputate her left and leg below the knees. Her right leg is also didn't remain completely immune with the accident. A rod was inserted in the leg from the knee to ankle. Summarize the success story of Arunima Sinha. Arunima Sinha is the first Indian amputee to climb Mount Everest. Among the women amputee for which she was awarded Padma Shri Award of fourth highest civilization award in India. Arunima was a sport enthusiast from childhood, a nation level volleyball player. She had undergone the unbelievable accidents. She tried her level best to combat or to fight with the robber, but they was overpowered on her and threw her out of running train. She lost her leg, but believed herself. Her self-reliance or confidence helped her to prepare for Mount Everest summit and reach the Everest summit. It was really hardest battle. Shepra, her local guide, thought that it is not less than suicidal attempt to climb the Mount Everest after an accident. During the mountaineering, she entered the death zone. Without losing the mental balance, she kept on moving. On the way back, her cylinder was finished. Oxygen cylinder was finished. It was hard to live, but strong determination rescued her. She climbed not only the Mount Everest but also the 5 other mountain or Mount Everest also. Narrate experience Arunima during the Mountain Everest expedition. Experience during the Mount Everest was so heartbreaking. Her Sherpa, the local guide, her Sherpa, refused to give accompany her or to accompany her because of he termed its suicidal mission. Because having one leg totally artificial and another inserted a rod from the knees to ankle. But she did has a strong determination to climb Mountaineer or Mount Everest. Her long her goal was crystal clear. She started expedition from 1st April 2013 and reached the summit on 21st May 2013, exactly 52 days. When she was entered the zone 3,500 meter or 5,000 feet from the top of the Mount Everest, the most difficult terrain started. She was she saw dead bodies of mountaineers scattered all around. The Bangladeshi mountaineer took his last breath in front of her eyes. She kept moving ahead and convinced us that our body move according to our thought process or our thinking. She was so convinced that neither she can go back or nor she can dive before the reaching summit. Just a few steps back, her oxygen cylinder or oxygen supply was finished. She fell down and suffocated from oxygen or due to oxygen. She come across to the extra cylinder now where Sherpa immediately attached it and finally Sherpa finally attached it and finally they return to the base station. In this way, we have seen the successful story of Arunima Sinha. If you have a great determination, positive thinking, so nothing is impossible in the world. You will achieve success easily. So, thank you.